Welding fumes, fine particles, and oil dust pose a serious threat to your employees, equipment, and production quality, and increase your energy and maintenance costs. Genano 1000 series has been designed to meet the demanding requirements of air purification in manufacturing and production environments. The function principle is simple. Polluted air is led to the air purifier. After removal of fumes, ultrafine particles, and other impurities, the purified air is to be led back inside the hull. Genano 1000 is designed to function as a standalone cleaning system and does not interfere with the existing ventilation. It recycles and purifies the indoor air continuously and keeps the premises safe and clean. Our Genano 1000 series is a unique purification system with several major advantages over other methods. The unique filterless technology is capable of removing even the smallest particles down to nano size. That is, we can provide ultra-pure air and, compared to our competitors, catch particles that are even 100 times smaller. With Genano 1000, you can significantly reduce energy and maintenance costs. Air purified with Genano 1000 is so clean that it can be recycled back to the premises, or optionally the intake of outside air can be reduced. This means that the building heating costs can be reduced even to 1/3, as the air does not need to be exhausted after the extraction. Clean air also keeps production efficiency and quality high. A significant amount of money is saved as production failures, product withdrawals, and the need for equipment maintenance decrease. Genano 1000 has the unique ability to remove even nano-sized particles, which can cause serious damage to sensitive laser electronics and robot equipment. In addition, the lifetime costs for Genano 1000 series are very low. Clean air has a huge impact on employee health and well-being. Airborne ultrafine particles are known to cause serious illnesses, including respiratory infections, heart disease, and cancer. With Genano 1000, you save money on less sick leaves and increase productivity. With all benefits considered, Genano 1000 improves your business with payback time even less than 3 years. For more information of Genano 1000 series, please visit our website, www.untitled.com.